In this video, we're unboxing the Polar Express Elf Work Train 4-pack, and we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Owen. In these videos, I'm continuing to build, expand, and improve my Lionel Polar Express model train layout in O gauge. Just arrived via UPS from Trainworld is the Elf Work Train 4-pack. Now, the good news is it's here. The bad news is that the Elf Work Train, which it should be combined with, hasn't arrived yet. It is scheduled by Lionel to be available this month, so I'm hoping that that'll be arriving within the next week or two. But let's get the 4-pack unboxed and see what we have. This is what it looks like in the box, and it is in really good shape. As usual from Trainworld, they ship things pretty well protected and padded, and this is no exception. So let me get the plastic off and we'll see what's inside. There's the carton. This is O gauge, but it's actually a fairly small scale accessory. We'll get it open and we'll take a look. Here's what it looks like. There is a loose part in here. It is. I have no idea what that came off from. Came off from something, and I guess as I get it open, I'll figure out what it's from. Lionel made these with non-working couplers, which means you can couple them together, but you cannot automatically use a decoupler to uncouple them and couple them back up again. Lionel says you can use any standard O-scale coupler to do that, and Lionel, however, does not manufacture O-scale coupler that you can use to replace what's on here. They refer you to other manufacturers in order to find something, which seems kind of weird to me, but that's Lionel. So let's get it open. Okay, I've got it open. This is the little piece that was loose in the box. Clearly it came off something. I don't know what yet. Hopefully I'll be able to figure it out as I get the little individual cars out, and we'll get them on the tracks. Let me get them on the tracks, then we'll take a look at them. Well, here's the Elf Work Train 4-pack sitting on the tracks. I put a neutral background behind it so it'd be easier to see. And one of the things we can see right away is that that piece that had come off that was loose in the box came off right there from that car. So I'll need to glue that back on and get that taken care of. The next car back is a crane, and that's a working crane actually. It rotates and it goes up and down with a hand crank, so that's kind of cool. There's a little gondola car behind it, and that has the name Auxiliary Coal Transport and the Polar Express logo on it. I guess if some naughty children are going to get coal for Christmas in their stockings, it has to come from somewhere, so that's probably the source. And then behind that is another car. This car has locomotive repair on the side of it. Polar Express logo again, and a silhouette of a steam engine. So altogether, this 4-car 4-pack will work, I think, quite well once we have the Polar Express Elf Work Train delivered. I'm hoping again that won't be more than another couple of weeks. It's scheduled to be delivered in November according to the Lionel website, and we hope they stick to that. The 4-pack, I think it was a good idea to get it because it's one of those things that if you don't get it as soon as it's available, it may never be available again, either from Lionel or any of their authorized dealers. It's a sort of accessory that'll sell out fairly quickly because that's going to be a lot of fun to play with, especially for children. So as soon as we get the Elf Work Train, we'll be back and show you what they look like. I'm going to take a moment and just show you the couplers, however. These are the non-working couplers on these cars, and again it's just kind of a shame that Lionel didn't go and spend an extra nickel and put working couplers on there. They supposedly are easily replaced with any scale couplers, and we'll find out how true that is. I'll contact Kadee and see if I can get couplers and then replace these with working couplers. That'll be a project in itself. So that's it for today. That's the delivery from Trainworld. Glad to have that. I think it's going to be fun to have running on the upper level of my Polar Express model train layout once the Elf Work Train LionChief set arrives, and we'll be able to see the whole thing in action soon, I hope. Well, that'll do it for today, folks. Just wanted to show you that new arrival from Lionel and Trainworld. Before I go, though, I want to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. I received some excellent comments and suggestions after my last video, and I'm grateful for those. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Click the subscribe down below and click the thumbs up, like this video. Drop me a comment if there's anything you'd like to suggest or ask about, and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching.